Meanwhile, in Syria, Indian embassy has issued a statement saying that it is continuously open and it remains operational to assist the Indian nationals who are in Syria in these testing times, because there is a civil war in Syria that led to the ouster of President Assad, who, according to reports, is in asylum in Moscow. And meanwhile, Indian embassy has continued to remain operational in Syria, offering all assistance to the Indian nationals over there and calling on them to seek and reach out for any help to the Indian embassy. First up, viewers, we have Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju tearing into Rahul Gandhi over his link with Soros and OCCRP, because recently we saw how BJP came out with a blistering press conference on how anti-national forces are working outside India to destabilize the Indian government. And now we have Kiran Rijiju also making some strong remarks on this particular link that the BJP has been alleging between Rahul Gandhi, Soros and OCCRP.
Other country. I am only referring to the reports which have come, and some of the members of parliament have raised this issue in the House. I am very specific. What I meant is, when it comes to an issue which is having an impact adversely on India's interests, then all the political parties must stand together. George Soros and his foundation. It is not only George Soros. George Soros and many other elements who are working against India are to be countered unitedly by every citizen of India. That is my point. Whether it is Rahul Gandhi ji, Sonia Gandhi ji, or Shashi Tharoor ji, or anybody, I am not into any particular individual. What I am saying is, anybody found to be colliding with or working in tandem with anti-India elements must be countered unitedly by all political parties, in fact every citizen of India. That is my limited point.
So are you wanting a central agency to probe this?
I'm not getting into the actions and the fallouts, because I am referring to the issue because it has been raised in the House and the Parliament is in the session, and I don't want to get into the details of those reports because they are already being discussed about and also brought in front of the media and the House also. So I am very specific that let us get together and fight against all anti-India elements.
Would you want a debate on this in Parliament, or would you reach out to the opposition on this?
These are the matter I will respond in the House, because House is in a session. So if I speak about the intention or the action plans of the party or the government, then it would not be appropriate because the House is in the session. So I want to respond in the House. But what I'm saying is a stand has to be taken in a very clear-cut manner when it comes to dealing with the anti-India elements.
The Samajwadi Party leader IP Singh has put out a tweet saying, Umra 55 ki, but Dil Bachpan ka, essentially targeting Rahul Gandhi's leadership. More and more voices from Mamata Banerjee to Samajwadi Party coming out against him.
I'm very clear about it. We are not concerned about the downfall of Congress Party or failure of the leadership of Sri Rahul Gandhi. The Congress Party, as well as the members of the India Alliance, they have already told that Rahul Gandhi has failed in taking the alliance together or to lead the alliance. I'm not concerned about it because it is a matter to be dealt by them. What I'm saying is, when it comes to national interests, we must work together and unitedly. And Rahul Gandhi's failure is bad for Congress Party and bad for India Alliance. So I'm not really concerned about it.
Opposition leaders saying that you are taking away the attention from main issues by bringing in George Soros issues.
There is nothing called more important, than national interest. Do you think that any issue can be more important than the issue which is concerning national interest? So you can judge by yourself. We are not going by party's agenda or the issues raised by each party. I am specific to the issues concerning national interest of our country.
Sir, on the daily basis we see opposition.
There is an ASI report.
Sir, on the daily basis we see opposition parties protesting.
अभी देश में जो मुद्दा सबके सामने में आए हुए हैं, गंभीर मुद्दा है। मैं मानता हूं कि कुछ मुद्दे ऐसे होते हैं जो राजनीतिक दृष्टि से हम नहीं देखना चाहिए। जॉर्ज सोरोस और उसके जो लिंक्स सामने में जो आए हैं, चाहे राहुल गांधी जी का नाम हो, चाहे सोनिया गांधी जी का नाम हो, हम इसको कांग्रेस पार्टी के रूप से भी नहीं देखते हैं। कोई भी भारतीय अगर विदेशी ताकतों के साथ जो भारत विरोधी है उनसे लिंक होते हैं और भारत का खिलाफ काम करते हैं तो गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए। हम इसको पार्टीबाजी के रूप से नहीं देखते हैं। हम हाउस चलाना चाहते हैं, अच्छी तरह से हाउस चले, हम बिल्स भी पास करेंगे, कई मुद्दे उठाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन कुछ ऐसा मुद्दे आते हैं तो उसको हम लोग सदन में नियम के तहत उठा सकते हैं।
Well, I have Riyanka joining me live from the national capital ahead of the winter session. Riyanka, Kiren Rijiju has made some strong statements on the Soros link with Rahul Gandhi, saying that India must unite against all those forces who are working against Bharat, and he has called on the opposition, including Rahul Gandhi, to unitedly confront and counter such forces.
Seeing that for a very, very long time, amid the winter session, there are several issues that are being raised. But one such issue that is, in fact, now putting it all the highlight from the side of the BJP is the George Soros Foundation angle that is linked to the Congress party. Now, Sonia Gandhi, the tall leader of the Congress party, has been linked to the George Soros Foundation, something that has been involved in anti-India conspiracy that is being alleged by the BJP. We just heard Kiren Rijiju, the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister, making very, very strong statements. He's saying that this is a matter of discussion in the Parliament, that this angle of George Soros, he says, between two parties there is a lot of accusing of one another, and under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, nobody can stop the development of India. Now the BJP alleged that former Congress President Sonia Gandhi had links to an organization that was financed by George Soros, which had backed the idea of separating Kashmir from India. To keep this in account, Kiren Rijiju has been saying there are more important issues, but the one which holds priority is the one which comes as a national interest issue, which is why this must be raised and talked about and discussed. So there is a lot of questions regarding the links with the Congress party and the George Soros Foundation. In fact, Kiren Rijiju also goes ahead and says Soros matter is already being raised in the Parliament. The report is in public domain. It is clear that what we need to focus on and what can be the outcome. So very, very strong statements coming there. Also, Kiren Rijiju says whoever is associated to Soros, who works against India, we must fight against such forces. So clearly, the BJP very, very, concerned about the matter, and also quite adamant with the fact that this issue, the links with George Soros, who is anti-India, the foundation, who works against, several issues which pertain to being anti-India, must be discussed.